Привет. So let's talk about liking stuff. We've already learned one expression for this. Я люблю. The verb любить. So, for example, я люблю пиццу. I love pizza. Он любит читать. He loves to read. This is something that you really like. It's a very positive thing for you. If you want to express liking something in a slightly more neutral way, then we can use the expression nravится and a nravится construction. It's kind of hard to say with the consonant cluster here, the NR nravится, but just practice it slowly a few times. Nravится, and it'll become easier. So this construction is very different from the one that we know, я люблю пиццу. That one's just a regular subject, verb, direct object in the accusative case. But nravится functions very differently in terms of grammar. Let's look at an example. So if we wanted to say not I love pizza, but just, I like pizza, yeah, sure. Мне нравится pizza. So you can see these two sentences are very different. Я люблю пиццу, мне нравится pizza. Very different. So let's talk about what's going on with the grammar. The logical subject, the person who is doing the liking, is in the dative case. Now, so far we've seen sentences where the subject is in the nominative case, and that's kind of what we consider to be normal. And this is a little different because the subject is in the dative case. Then the thing that's being liked is in the nominative case. So backwards from this sentence where we have the subject, ja, in the nominative case, and the thing being liked, the pizza, in the direct as a direct object with the accusative case. So this is why we avoid direct one-to-one translation. If we were going to directly translate this, it would be more like, pizza is pleasing to me. I mean, you can say that, but it sounds kind of pretentious. We would say, I like pizza. But direct translation, which we avoid, pizza is pleasing to me. So, since the grammar is a little weird on here, we have to figure out what the verb is agreeing with. Now, verbs, as a general rule, can only agree with something in the nominative case. They don't like any of the other cases. They like nominative case. In this sentence, what word is in the nominative case? There's only one. This one. So although logic is telling us that this should be the subject, like I like pizza, in terms of grammar, the verb thinks this is the subject. So it's going to agree with whatever is in the nominative case, which means we're pretty much going to be dealing with two forms of the verb. Nravится, in a third person singular, like it, I like it, or the plural, nravится. So you can see the only difference is in the vowel right here towards the end. So let's look at an example here of the plural. Мне нравятся ваши занятия. So again, the subject is I like, but it's being expressed in the dative, so we have to look. Where's nominative? Nominative. Oh, there it is. Your classes in the plural. So we have to use the plural verb spelled with a ya, not an e. Or мне нравятся все сумерки книги. So I like all of the Twilight books, not just one. Let's look for nominative. Nominative. There it is. Книги. So our verb, again, is agreeing with the plural, книги. Might seem a little backwards from English logic, which is why we need to get our mindsets into Russian logic. So whatever the thing that is being liked is in the nominative case, the person who likes it is in the dative case, and the verb agrees with whatever's in nominative. In terms of pronunciation, I don't know if you could hear, but I'm pronouncing these two really seriously. Nravится, nravится, because the stress is on the first syllable. Because of vowel reduction, the second ya, it's kind of pronounced like an e, nravится. So in terms of pronunciation, they sound very similar, but you still have to know how to spell them for the tests and quizzes and all that good stuff, and to be a generally knowledgeable person. So that's expressing liking in Russian.